Welcome back, gorgeous mama. Have you been wondering if there's a more affordable way to exfoliate your skin? You found the right video. Today we're going to be talking about an all-natural sugar scrub recipe and then the benefits of exfoliating your skin. I know that there's a lot of you that are becoming much more mindful about the ingredients and are interested in natural beauty recipes. It can be overwhelming though, trying to scour the internet and find recipes that actually work. I have been sharing and using some of these recipes for over 15 years. So I've got you, mama. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video so you can keep learning. And then also stick around to the end of this video. I have something fabulous to give away to you. So first, let's talk about the benefits of exfoliating. It is gonna help remove dead skin cells. It's gonna help with not forming ingrown hairs. It also makes it that your skincare and beauty products can penetrate more deeply into it. So it's a very crucial step in a skincare routine. So let's get to the fun part then about making the sugar scrub. So first of all, you obviously need sugar. It can be brown sugar or it can be white sugar, it doesn't matter. Sugar scrubs also really moisturize your skin, so it's gonna leave your skin very, very silky, smooth, and soft as well. I have brown sugar today, and we are going to do a cup. If you saw this video, you know that my daughter takes my measuring cup, so I have no idea where my 1 cup is. So we're gonna have to do 4, because this is a 1/4 cup. Then we're gonna do a 1/2 cup of fractionated coconut oil. Fractionated coconut oil is just coconut oil that never solidifies. So this is gonna keep this very smooth and much easier to apply. Also very moisturizing for your skin, but it doesn't have an odor and it's very, very lightweight. So it's my oil of choice. You can add other oils if you like. You can even use olive oil. It's just gonna be heavier and it's not gonna be odorless. But if you don't have this, you can definitely use that. Then we're gonna do 10 to 15 drops of essential oil of choice. I love peppermint for this. It's very, very invigorating. I keep this in the shower, so it just adds like a bright zestiness. And then obviously, you just stir it around. This is very, very super simple. You do not have to go to the store and buy all those expensive ones when you probably have most of these ingredients already in your home. So you can see here's the consistency of it. I had already made a one with white sugar. I use old jars, so like my glass peanut butter jars, my glass pickle jars. I wash them in the dishwasher and then I remove the label with a little bit of lemon oil, and then you've got unlimited supply of free jars. So I keep this in here and I keep it in the shower. My girls love it as well. So to use this, all you're gonna do is scoop up a little bit in your hands. I rub it together a little bit and then you just gently rub it onto your skin. I start at my feet and just kind of work my way up. You can even use it on your lips as a lip exfoliant as well. So it's super, super versatile. Then you just rinse it off and enjoy the benefits again of having those dead skin cell removes, extra moisture for your skin, and your beauty products are gonna penetrate more into it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful to you. As promised, I have a free gift to give to you. It is my essential oil guide for moms. It is pinned in the comments. It is also linked in the description below, where I also include this recipe. You're gonna wanna snag it. It has amazing other beauty recipes, diffuser recipes, natural cleaning recipes, all grouped in one place so they don't have to scour all over the internet. I've done the work for you and I've included it. It's completely free. My gift to you, one busy mom to another. Have a wonderful rest of your day.